I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Ornith locally on your system. So this is the one of the best open source agentic coding models. So let's see how to do the installation. For this one, in Google search box, right there, Olama, then go on this olama.com site. Then let's go on this model. There you can see this is the Ornith that's launched recently. So you need to copy this command. Now, if I open this place command prompt, that's used here, say this. If I write Olama minus minus false, you can see 13.11 that install. So you should install any latest version of the Olama. After that, use this command Olama run order. Press enter. So this here, pulling manifest, and now the file is currently downloading. 5.6 MB is the total size. So this will only take few minutes times to complete this download. This here, pulling and verifying writing manifest this success. After that, let's test with the hive. So Olama run Ornith that's downloaded successfully inside your systems. Now you can see here how can I help you this returning. Let's write there what exactly generative AI. So this is about the knowledge and this returning the artificial intelligence system that can create text this on. Now this here uh, this you can see this only that's downloaded and installed successfully in your system. Now you can ask any query there. So this is how we can use and install the Ornith. So I hope guys this video is so helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.